In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply and email forwarding in just 5 minutes. Understanding these features is crucial for maintaining an organized inbox, especially if you're going on vacation or need emails forwarded to another address. These tools also help ensure you never miss important messages, even when you are away from your computer. Setting them up correctly can save you a lot of time and stress. First, open your Gmail account and look for the settings icon, usually a small gear in the top right corner next to your profile picture. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu and select See All Settings to go to the main settings page. Next, navigate to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. This section lets you manage how emails are forwarded and accessed via different email clients. To set up forwarding, click on Add a Forwarding Address. A pop-up will appear asking for the email address where you want emails to be sent. Enter the correct address carefully. Gmail will then send a confirmation code to that email to verify permission. Check the inbox of the forwarding address, locate the email from Gmail, and copy the confirmation code. Return to Gmail settings and paste the code in the provided box to authorize forwarding. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation message indicating success. Setting up auto reply involves similar steps. In the Gmail settings page, go to the General tab, scroll to Vacation Responder, and enable it. Fill in your message, set start and end dates if needed, and save changes. This ensures that anyone who emails you during this period will receive your pre-written response automatically. By following these steps, your emails can be forwarded seamlessly to another address, and auto replies can be sent automatically, helping you manage communications more efficiently. These tools are useful for both business and personal use, keeping your email organized and your workflow smooth. Using them correctly can improve your productivity and give you peace of mind knowing your inbox is always under control. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Happy emailing!